Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Really clean 3-valve in today. Thought you might like to check it out. It's a 2007 Mustang running our non-intercooled Paxton package. It's polished. This is a show car. It looks really clean. So I'm going to show you the engine compartment, show it to you on the dyno. I have Doug with me. Why don't you come over here and check out the engine compartment, Doug. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe. Hit notify so you're going to stay up to date. But here it is. It's our Novi. Extremely popular Paxton Throwback Package. He opted for polished because this car does hit car shows. Ford Performance Manifold, and has free-flowing exhaust, and has a set of rwhp camshafts. But hey, let me tell you what's in our throwback, because it is our least expensive supercharger package for a 3-valve Mustang. Easy way to add at least 150 horsepower to your car, but you get the Novi head unit. It's a 1200. You get 39-pound fuel injectors, a Kenny Bell booster pump. You're gonna get Kohler spark plugs, as well as a proper calibration to fire it up. So if you wonder how much this costs to get installed, I'll put a link in the description, as well as a link to read more about the kit, because it is free shipping to the 48 states if you want to put it on yourself. So 2007 Mustang right here. Watch this dyno pull. So this 2007 is a manual transmission Mustang. It is running 93 octane pump gas, but check it out, SAE, 532 rear wheel horsepower, and torque is at 428. Huge gain over stock, and of course, the rwhp camshafts and the Ford Performance Manifold help this out. The reason I keep saying rwhp camshafts is because this car came in and they weren't sure exactly which cams they had in the car, which is fine, I can tune them like that, but it does sound a lot like a Detroit rocker, possibly a hot rod camshaft, but it's a really cool car. And now I'm gonna hit on this because a lot of you always ask. I don't know why, and I'm gonna make a video. I keep saying I'm gonna do this, and I need to get it done really quickly. But some reason out there, everyone thinks 450 horsepower is the limit on a stock 3-valve, and that is not the case. So this 532 rear wheel horsepower, 428 torque is very typical of what we do in here every single week on a 3-valve Mustang. I like to keep rear wheel torque below 450. Okay, I'm not so concerned about the rear wheel horsepower, okay? Because if you have camshafts, your rear wheel horse number is gonna go higher, right? And that's a little bit deceiving. You start seeing a big rear wheel horse number with cams or maybe a manifold, and you start thinking you're gonna have a rod problem or something. It's really the torque I'm worried about. So this is, I think, around 8 PSI a boost. That's fine on a stock engine. We actually have some packages that are a hair higher than that on a stock engine. No big deal. But awesome 07 Mustang, 532 the tires. Doug, let's take one more look at the car right here. Kind of a sleeper to me. I mean, honestly, with the graphic on the side, almost looks like a V6 Mustang to me, first impression when I look at the car. But under the hood, it's killer, and it makes really good power. Sounds good, it's gonna be really fast. If you have a question about this, leave a comment. And again, don't forget description. I'll put links to everything on this, because I probably left some stuff out. That way you can see exactly what else is on this car. Thanks for watching.